Today I will use a used laundry detergent box to grow eggplants and use a plastic bottle and a water-absorbent towel to make an automatic watering system for the plants. I would cut the top of the detergent container in half and punch drainage holes to keep the plant from getting waterlogged. Automatic watering can. I will punch holes in the lid to connect to the wire to supply water to the plants. Did you know that eggplants not only provide nutrients to the plant, but are also good for the heart, help with weight loss, are antioxidants, control blood sugar levels, and can prevent cancer? Once the eggplant seeds have germinated after 6 days, we can start planting them. After planting, we put water in the automatic watering can. The can will slowly supply water to the plant, prevent plant erosion, and keep the soil moist. The eggplants I planted are 20 days old and tall, in preparation for flowering. We must take care of them now to help them have the best energy to grow. To supplement nutrients for the plants, I use worm castings to fertilize each plant. Worm castings not only provide nutrients for plants, but also have high antibacterial properties, good metabolism, and are non-toxic to humans. To cope with the weather during this time, I added soil to each plant, preventing it from leaning, allowing the roots to take hold more firmly. And at each stage, we must not forget to put water in the automatic watering can. After 1 month, the eggplant has flowered. To provide energy for the plant to flower and produce large, abundant fruit, we should supplement nutrition and prevent pests and diseases.
Tokyo.
At this stage, I will use vitamin B1 mixed with water and put it in the automatic watering can, providing long-term nutrition for the plant. Vitamin B1 has many positive effects when applied to plants. It helps enhance photosynthesis, increase resistance, help plants flower and bear fruit well, and help plants stay fresh longer. When the tree flowers, it is susceptible to pests, mold, and insects. So I will use 1 clove of garlic mixed with water and spray evenly on each tree to repel insects and kill mold. It's great that after 2 months on my balcony, there are eggplant plants that produce a lot of big, long fruits. Now I can improve my family's dishes and give them to my friends. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to live and subscribe to my channel. Good luck.